When Acura debuted the RDX at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, it used the prototype moniker because it maybe wasn't all the way done yet. But now here at the 2018 New York Auto Show, it's ready for the full spotlight. The 2019 Acura RDX sports a radical redesign that is based off the old Precision concept from 2016. Gone is the old polarizing beak grille of yore, and in its place is a fresh new face that looks a lot better. Let's be honest, it's a lot better. But it's the interior where things get truly rad. The dashboard sports a fresh new look based off the NSX, mostly thanks to that big old mode dial right in the center. And there's a new 10.2-inch infotainment screen with a kind of unique way to manipulate it. There's a touchpad on the bottom that has what they call a one-to-one connection with the screen. Let's say you want to click the icon in the top left of the screen, just click the top left of the touchpad. Easy peasy. Every RDX gets the exact same powertrain. It's a 2-liter turbo 4-banger gas engine putting out 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive is standard, as is a 10-speed automatic. Speaking of standard equipment, there is a ton of it. In addition to the 10.2-inch infotainment screen, you get LED headlights, a panoramic moonroof, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and 12-way heated sports seats. In terms of safety, auto brake, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control are all standard as well. The 2019 Acura RDX goes on sale in the middle of this year, and pricing will be announced closer to its release. Do you guys like Brian Cooley? I like Brian Cooley. So much so, in fact, that I have him handcuffed to a radiator in my garage. And if you ever want to see him in a roadshow video again, you will both like this video and subscribe to our channel. Try me.